Hello friends, welcome to Mockito framework series. My name is Sourabh Shrivastava and in this video we are learning about Mockito mock concept. So in Mockito we can use mock functionality to create and inject a mock instance of an object. In Mockito we have following ways to create a mock, and first one is to use a mock method. So we can use this mock method and we can create a mock of any object or an interface with this. It does not need any prerequisite, and we can directly call our mockito.mock method and create a mock of any objects. So for example, here I am mocking a array list dot class. So mock method required a dot class input of any class and it will return a mock object of that class. Second way to create a mock is by using @mock annotation. It works same as a mock method, but it needs either Mockito JUnit runner class or Mockito annotation dot open mock method. These two things are kind of a prerequisite. Only with the help of these two we can use @mock annotation. So I have used this example @mock, and I'm mocking a list of string with the help of @mock annotation. In Spring Framework, we can use @mock bean annotation to create a mock of any object and inject it in the application context of Spring. It needs a Spring Runner class in JUnit 4 and Spring Extension class in JUnit 5 as a prerequisite. I have mocked a employee repository so by using mock bean annotation. So let's understand all these example in our code, how we can write a mock of an object and how we can use them in our test cases.